Phone Tool is the free software for all-in-one iPhone management software. Enables you to backup, transfer, manage iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch from to Windows PC, or transfer data between Android and iPhone wirelessly. We can one-click transfer all data from old iPhone to new iPhone without losing a file, or quickly transfer data between iPhone and computer to free up more storage or put PC files in your pocket. And we can also back up our phone. We can see more features in this app. If you are interested for this, I put the link about Phone Tool, check it out. Hello everyone. Welcome to my another video. Today, I am going to show you how to get Google Play Store coupons free. Let's start now. This video who are using Google Play Store apps. We can get coupons to purchase favorite apps free. When we open the Google Play Store, we can see a notification. Join the Google Play Points free, earn points and get rewards. If you don't see a notification like this, click Profile and check is available in menu. Even not here Play Points feature. I think your country not support to Google Play Points. I put the link below. Check your country available or not. Your country not available in list. You need to change Google Play Store country. For help read my blog post to change Google Play Store country. Link in description. If you active Play Points feature, click this Play Points and activate it. You need to add payment method now. Make sure to add same country payment method. PayPal is easy method. I am using this feature already, so I am logging my old account. We can see Play Point balance in search bar. Or when click the logo icon, we can see Play Point progress and balance also. We can earn Google Play Points free. You can see full video how to earn points free. Link in description. Sometime we can't see task to get points free. Then we should wait until appear the tasks. Weekly price is the cool feature to earn points. It depends on what level are you in. I am in silver level. Then we can up to earn 100 points once. Oops. Bad luck today. In this use option, we can spend our earned Google Play Points to purchase our favorite apps coupons. Or you can convert them to Google Play credits. I am a Clash of Clans player. Now I am going to show you how to use coupons to Clash of Clans. You can purchase coupons to your favorite apps. Check Play Point use section. Your favorite app appear here or not. If not there, you can convert your points free Google Play credits and purchase what you want. We can purchase this items using coupons. Before we need to get coupon from Google Play Points. When we taking coupons, we cannot purchase below value items than coupon value. Therefore make sure to think what you going to buy, before convert Play Points to coupon. There is rules of coupons. Tap to buy. Click use points, convert points to coupon. The coupon is ready to use on game now. Now we can see our coupon added and requeue the value. So this is the video about how to coupons free. If you are new to about Google Play Points, watch my previous videos about Google Play Points. If you got trouble and didn't work this, comment me below. Is this working good? Just tell others in comment section. Thank you for watching us. See you in next video.